Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Yanto Beyonce. We are back up here in the North Georgia mountains. Well, trying to get there, but it's been a minute. It is a little bit colder today, but we are dressed to impress. But I'm up here with once again Klown from the MT09 app. There he is, right there. Woo! He's gonna be running that bike in Moto America next year, so he's gonna have to get it tuned. He's gonna have to get it all the inspections that he needs done, and that'll be so much fun to watch him run next year. But I'll see you guys once we get up into probably at Riverside Tavern, so I'll see you guys here in just a little bit. All right, fam, we are here at the Clipper gas station here in Cleveland, about to get going, and as you can tell, the bikes are loaded up. In regards to gas, always the bike doesn't eat up too much gas when I come up here, but I always want to just top off, because if I'm running around up there, sometimes I'm easy in the throttle, sometimes I'm hard in the throttle, so I just want to be full tank before I get up into the mountains. But we are once again gonna get up there, have some fun. And again, here is his Honda. It looks pretty awesome. He has detuned this thing. He had it tuned he said the previous owner had it tuned to run pretty hard on the track, but he had to detune it for the street. So he has it detuned for the street, but like I said earlier, he's gonna have this bike be his race bike. So he's gonna have to redo all the tuning to make sure it runs at its optimal for track days. So that's going to be fun. That should be really awesome for him. Really cool thing too is actually he has Michelin sponsoring his tires, so that's going to be really awesome. He doesn't have to worry about coming money for the tires, but he is self-funded for the race, so that's always that's putting down some change to be able to tune your bike and then get it ready for Moto America. So that's really awesome. And guess what he's got? Quick shout to the ghost. But yeah, we're gonna be up here, we're gonna have some fun, hopefully get a little bit of footage, get some pictures. We're not gonna go too hard. We say that but you know how it goes. we might go a little bit hard. He's gonna go hard if he wants to, but like I said, I gotta get back home alive, so I'm gonna take it easy, have some fun. But yeah, we'll see you guys once we get back on the road and into the mountains. I got one more stop over there at the Riverside Tavern just to sync up that thing and this thing, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right, we are now at woo, that sun is killing. That sun is killing that camera. But we are now at the bottom of Blood Mountain, about to get up there, have some fun, run around a little bit, and then we'll do this thing, man. Oh shoot! Woo! That was fun. That was a lot of fun chasing you. I said it's a lot of fun chasing you. It's fun. You want to go again? You want to go down?
Up to you. I have to follow you.
Okay. We'll go down this side, but we'll try to be careful too, because the cops sometimes are sitting on the back end of it. So.
Okay.
God almighty.